In this video, you'll learn how to import a plan on Blixo in just a few simple steps. The only way to import a plan is by importing directly in the Plans section. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Plans field to access the plans list. Click on the Import button. After that, you will be redirected to the Spreadsheet Import Subscriptions Plan page. If you don't have an existing CSV file or don't know how to create a valid CSV file, you can click on Download a Sample Subscription Plans Import Template to download a sample CSV format file. To upload the item's CSV file, click the Upload button and choose the file. You can upload multiple CSV files here. The final step to import is to click the Start Import button. Let's check it out. Success! The plan's CSV file has been imported successfully. Voila! You have successfully imported plans in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.